Mississippi River from 20 to 60 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Pascagoula, Mississippi to Stake Island, Louisiana, about 20 to 60 nautical miles until 10:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:40 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located 40 nautical miles east of Lawtown, moving northeast at 25 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can quickly form and capsize boats, damage vessels and oil rigs, and create suddenly higher waves. Make sure all on board are in a secure location and wearing life jackets.
Bruh.
Expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots and suddenly higher waves. Boats can sustain damage or capsize. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Return to safe harbor if possible. The severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally
There you go.
hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. The National Weather Service in New Orleans has issued a special